Hello everyone and welcome back again. Now, you might want to delete conversation in Discord, but you're not really sure how to do it. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it. Because you see, even though Discord doesn't offer a direct delete conversation feature, you can still effectively remove a conversation from your view. How? Close the conversation. On desktop, simply close the chat window. If it's on mobile, swipe this conversation away from the main chat list. You can also do this by removing the other user. If you want to completely stop receiving messages from a specific user, just go to their direct messages, open the conversation, click the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner and select remove friend. It's as simple as that. Now, deleting messages individually within a conversation by hovering over the message and clicking the three dots icon, then selecting delete message can also help. Next, even if you delete messages or remove a user, they will still have the copies of those messages in their own chat history. Note that by closing the conversation or removing the other user, you can effectively remove that specific conversation from your view and stop receiving further messages from that user. Also, these methods that I just mentioned primarily affect your own view of the conversation. They do not delete the conversation for the other user. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.